gonna do an experiment. Today we're doing... Yes? Hi, Audrey.
I'm join in.
Yeah, but today... Yes, but I'm focusing over here.
Okay.
So today we're doing an experiment, Audrey.
I love experiments.
Yes, we are
Are you gonna do it with this?
Yes, we are going to do homemade dulce de leche.
Oh yeah!
Only one ingredient. We've never done this before, right? We've never done this before. We excited?
Yes. Can I taste it?
We're gonna try to do with 1 can of sweet condensed milk. Sweet condensed milk.
I saw that. I'm gonna open them.
And I'm gonna open this guy. All right. And I'm gonna pour into the jars. Oh my God. Okay, it's coming out already. And yeah. Technical difficulties. We'll get this. This has to be washed. And we are getting the condensed milk. And I've heard people do this with coconut milk as well. Like with a coconut, full fat coconut can. Okay. And we're gonna pour it in this, guys. Let's see. I don't know what's the best way to pour this without making a big mess. Let's see. Okay. Actually, I think we would more need. So most people, wow, this is becoming a mess. Most people actually put the can in the crock pot. I'm not gonna do that. I don't want the BPA, which is the bisphenol A, get into the food. I have to use this. Make sure that this is insanely well sealed. We're gonna fill the crock pot with water. Try to cover this guy. And there's a little bit of space for expansion. Hopefully we'll get this right. Let's see if the crock pot. Okay, I'm putting it in. And
we're gonna do it
we'll
on
see.
the sides.
Maybe on the side. Yeah, we'll probably have to do it on the side.
Yeah.
Let's see. And we're gonna fill it up. And we're gonna fill it up with water. And I just want to know, this guy over here might ruin my shot, but I didn't realize that was over there. I'm going to put it on low. I'm going to set the timer for 8 hours and check.
Can I taste it?
Hey Siri, set timer for 8 hours.
Okay, 8 hours and counting.
Okay, and then here's to magic.
Yes, we try.
It's been 8 hours, and the reason why the water looks so cloudy, it's because the lid was not tight enough. I did not have a mason jar, so I'm gonna let it go for another hour and then see if this is a failed experiment or it's actually a good one. We'll use this one. All right, time of the truth. It's been 9 hours. Man, if I nail this, and I start becoming like the dulce de leche of the family. Just trying to grab so it doesn't fall. And now, technically, it's gonna let it cool down. Actually, I think it should cool down in the water. What do you think?
Why?
Well, because of the glass and the air. You don't think it might break? Like the change of temperature?
As long as it's not fast, it should be fine.
Okay, then here it is. We're gonna try tomorrow. That looks awesome, right? That's really exciting. Man, I love experiments. Okay, so I clearly couldn't wait until tomorrow. And now I'm gonna try it. The longer you leave in the crock pot, the thicker it'll get. It tastes like dulce de leche. It tastes like dulce. Oh my gosh. Never buying dulce de leche again. Okay, what are we gonna try?
Our own homemade dulce de leche. We're both the judge, and my mom made this dulce de leche. Ow.
Okay, go try it.
Okay.
Wow. Go. No, please. Tastes like real dulce de leche. Yeah.
Say that there without dulce de leche in your mouth.
It tastes like real dulce de leche.
So I passed the test?
Yes, you did.